When I moved into my shop, I was looking for some innovative, up-to-date LED lighting for my shop. I wanted it to be cost-effective, that way it doesn't drain the pocketbook every time I'm out there running the lights. So that's why I wanted to go with LEDs. Today we're going to be looking at Sansi's LED light bulbs. So stay tuned. Hello, I'm Brian, and this is Summer's Woodworking. Well, looky here. I got a package from Amazon. Let me open it up and see what's inside. Well, it looks like I got a couple package from Sansi. Must be those bulbs that I wanted. Let's look at them. Boy, these are nice and heavy. Let's see here. It says it's model C21BB. It's 27 watts. It's 3,500 lumens. It's rated at 5,000 K daylight. AC 120 volt. Forbidden to be used in enclosed luminaires. Do not use with dimmers. The body is made out of plastic, and it looks like it has a lot of vents. If you look inside there, there's some kind of control box or baluster or something inside. I'll try to get a better look. I can't really see anything too clearly, but I know there's something in there. Look at all these LED chips. Those are pretty cool. Now I'm going to be comparing this with my soft boxes with diffusers with a 40 watt 5500 K daylight with 120 volt. As you can see, it's a longer bulb. So let me put these in my soft boxes and we'll compare the two. The first light I turn on, it is the fluorescent light that I showed you last. Then I'll turn on the new LED light. As you can see, it overpowers the fluorescent one. I really like it. It's really bright. Well, I hope I didn't leave anything out in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. I will address them as soon as I can. If this is the first time watching one of my videos, I encourage you to subscribe to my channel because I'll show you all kinds of things like woodworking builds and crafts, CNC projects, lathe turnings, product or tool reviews, tips or tricks, challenge contests, and more. Please hit the like button. It shows your love. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all later.